I saw these snowball string lights for $100 and I just didn't want to pay that. So I'm going to show you how we can DIY them for less than 20. Amazon sells these LED curtain string lights. I got mine for less than $10. And then a trip to the dollar store got me cotton balls, pom-poms, and some fake snow. You'll find a link to my post in the pinned comment below and the description where I've given all the specific links to all the supplies I used in this project. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested. To adhere the fake snow to the cotton balls, I use spray adhesive and then just sprinkled the snow on, flip them over, and then sprinkled on more snow. For this next step, you'll want to use a low temperature hot glue gun. You don't want the temps to get any higher than 200 degrees, and high temperature hot glue guns do get hotter than that. To put on the glue, you'll put 2 dabs on each side of the cotton ball, place your LED string light in between, and kind of just close it up. For this part, you want the glue to get on the wire. You don't actually want the glue to get on the plastic that surrounds the light. So you're trying to put your glue on either side of that and then closing it up to attach it. To attach the LED lights to the wall, I first put 2 wire command hooks on the wall. Then I put the curtain lights on a wooden dowel rod and then just place that right on the command hooks on the wall. All the curtain lights I found were 9.5 feet long. And I don't know about you, but my ceilings are definitely not 9.5 feet. So I ended up having to fold up the ends of them and just twist them slightly to hold them in place at the correct height for my ceilings. So you can definitely use these snowball lights as is. I think they look pretty cool, but I have 2 more ideas of how to update it for Christmas. First, find some mini binder clips. I found these gold ones on Amazon and attach them to the string lights. Then you can simply just clip on Christmas cards as they come in and you have a DIY Christmas card display. My second idea is to get some little craft envelopes and put the numbers on them. Up to 24, I think you can see where this is going. And once you attach them to the curtain lights, you have a fillable advent calendar that you could use up till Christmas. Thanks so much for watching. Happy holidays.